All right, so we're here in Oakland, California, and this video today, I got the fam bam in the house.
Ay, bueno.
Leona's in the house. Safi's in the house. Oh, she's hiding. Anyways, we're checking out a spot called FOB Kitchen. I've been here before, but I've never eaten inside. It's a Michelin-rated Filipino-inspired restaurant. So excited to show you FOB Kitchen in Oakland right now. FOB Kitchen. Four. Yeah.
So this is the brunch, and we have dinner available.
What's in the name?
This is the brunch silogs. I don't think I've had a brunch silog here. Excited?
Excited.
So as you can see here, it is a Michelin Guide 2021. Milkfish. So again, it's a really nice restaurant, beautiful looking, jungly, and the kitchen's right behind me. They're cooking right there. So you can see them as they prepare the food. Smells amazing, looks amazing. Ready for some FOB Kitchen. Oh, that's ours.
This is yours. Yes.
Nice.
Oh, this one is
That's
hash.
longanisa. Yeah. Wow. Smells good. Yeah. Look at that egg. That's pretty. Fried chicken. All right.
So the chicken.
Thank you. Yeah, you can put it right there. Thank you so much.
And the
Tocino. Wow. Man. Man, I got that fried chicken. Filipinos have Filipino fried chicken. That egg, the silog, that looks amazing. Safi got this like tocino silog. That looks amazing. Prettiest looking silog. I mean, tocino silog I've ever seen. The longanisa hash. This is Safi's tocino. Clear it up. All right, let's give that a bite. First bite here, I got some of Safi's order, which is the tocino. Oh man, that looks nice. Okay, give it a bite. Bite. Oh wow. That is sweet. That is porky. Love that char and the flavor of that tocino. Oh, must rock. Here's our fried chicken bite. Here we go. And bite. Oh, like it? Safi? Oh wow. Nice fried chicken, perfectly deep fried. That's yummy. Leona says this tastes like tahini, but I have that ready to go because now I'm ready to start devouring my longanisa hash. Got some cream on it, some potatoes. The longanisa is grounded, and you have that nice yolky egg. You know what? Before I break into that egg, I'm gonna go ahead and try the potatoes and longanisa first. I got some bell peppers, some onions in here, maybe some garlic. Some green onions. Oh man, all right, let's go. Trying to order a torta?
Eggplant torta.
Eggplant torta?
5 minutes.
Okay, here we go, bite. That longanisa is sweet. Those potatoes are nice and crisp. Those ingredients kind of reminds me of like a skillet. Skillet with potatoes and bell peppers and onions. But again, what makes this dish for what it is that longanisa. Nice, sweet flavored longanisa. Chorizo style. Oh, gotta go again. A lot more. And this cream, I think it might be sour cream. And bite. Oh. Well, those real vegetable additions in here. Oh, that is so cream. I know, I do want to dig into the hot sauce. But before we do that, I just have to. I have to break into that egg yolk, man. It's just, look at that. Okay, let's do it. Gonna break into this one egg here. Just look at that egg flow. Oh, there it goes. Yep. That is the way. The yolkiness of that egg. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Woo. That right there is gonna be the bite. I just know it. Runny, yolky egg, cake, and bite.
Hello, Bill. Goodbye.
Just supreme, man. Ultimate. Yolky satisfaction. Coupled with that longanisa, you know what it is. Those potatoes, those onions, everything about this dish is just super flavorful. Oh, it's so good. Enough ogling now. We gotta try that hot sauce, which Leanna says it tastes like tahini. Yeah. All right, here we go. So get some of that. Pour that onto. Yep, just like that. All right, nice portion of sauce on that. Oh, that's just gonna be mouth-watering delicious. I just know it too. One of those things, you just gotta know that's gonna be a juicy, mouth-watering bite. Bite. Oh. Ooh. A little tangy, a little spicy, sweet. Came with the fried chicken, but adding it onto my longanisa hash, that's the move. I'm telling you right now, if you come here and you order the longanisa hash, ask them for the fire sauce. Ask them for the fire sauce, and I would get that fire sauce in multiple dishes. But for sure, on this plate here, get that sauce. Oh, so good. Another bite. A little bit more sauce.
Oh, the coconut jam.
Man. Masterful, indeed.
There's the ube one.
Ooh, where at? Yeah, whichever. I'll wrap this up here. Gotta do it again. Second time. All right, now. Look at that yolk. You enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, big time. Sappy is going to town too. Torta Talong. Wow. Look at that.
You need a knife?
That looks pretty. Shauna picked up the torta Talong. Oh, just. Oh my goodness. So good. Oh man, wow. Look at that. Nice slice. It's perfect. All right. Torta. Gotta go for that torta. Bite. Oh man. Eggplant, the egg, torta Talong, the tomato, yummy egg omelet right there. Final bite. And that'll do it. Take care. See you. Okay, take care.
Best of the neighborhood.
Oh yeah, absolutely. FOB Kitchen here, Oakland, California. What else is there to say except check them out? Hope you liked the video. If you liked, give it a thumbs up. And as always, enjoy the bite life. Later.